In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear engine mount on your Mazda 3. It's located underneath on the rear of the engine. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take out this bolt. This nut should be welded to the bracket. Now we're going to take a 17mm socket and take out this center one. In order to get this out, we're going to take out these 3 bolts. And start with this middle one. Using a 19mm socket. Make sure you have a hand on this bracket. And it should be easier to take out by taking this out as well. There we go. To install, you're going to place your mount on the bracket. Just slide that in. All as one piece. Then let it go if you want. I would get all your bolts studded first before tightening anything down. When you closely look at your bolts, one is very slightly longer and the hardness is different. The one that has the 10 on it goes here, and the one that's slightly longer goes here. They're also going to have different torque specs. So I'm going to thread these in by hand first, so you don't cross-thread them. Using our 19mm socket, we're going to zip these in there and then torque them to 20 foot-pounds. All right, we're going to torque these 3 bolts to 20 foot-pounds. And then tighten these up. When they're flush, we're going to torque them to different torque specs. We're going to torque this bolt to 65 foot-pounds. And now we're going to torque this one to 95 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.